1½ cups all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1¼ cups milk, 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons unsalted butter melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup fresh or frozen blueberries, maple syrup, extra blueberries, whipped cream. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Gradually pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. A few lumps are okay. Don't overmix. Gently fold in the blueberries to prevent them from breaking apart. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Lightly grease with butter or oil. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the skillet. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set, about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes or until golden brown. Stack the pancakes, drizzle with maple syrup, and top with extra blueberries and whipped cream if desired.